The Freedom Charter. When we say the wealth of the country shall be transferred into the hands of the people is in the Freedom Charter. That's what the Charter demands of us. When Madiba was locked for a very long time in prison, it was because of the demand to restore the wealth into the hands of the people. It was because of the land question. Because the whites arrested Mandela for saying South Africa belongs to all who live in it, black and white. That was a crime. Because their understanding was that South Africa belongs to whites. And if you say to all who live in it, you commit a crime. Madiba had appreciated with his generation that whites have naturalized in South Africa and therefore we cannot wish them away. But they have a responsibility to acknowledge that we've got indigenous people in this country who are the rightful owners of the land and that the land should belong to them as well. That was a crime. We will never get free education if we do not have the land. Many come and say they will give you free education and all sorts of things. But without the land, you can't have free education. Because land comes